Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is a just for fun tutorial. Let's create such a wagon. So here on Facebook, there was a post from Valentin Winkelmann. It's his creation, so it's a very cute and nice wooden wagon. So let's recreate it. So this is a reference image. So you see hundreds of wooden planks and boards and so on, and a lot of detail, and but I break it down into smaller parts, so it's not so complex as it seems. So the main part here is the wagon itself. So it's only a cylinder part. So and the other thing here is a wheel, and and that's it. so so let's start. So sorry, I place my reference image here in the corner, and as I said, we need a cylinder. So I rotate it in the front view in this direction, and for this here the wireframe is on. The topology is important. So here in the topology menu, here cylinder topology, we change the divisions here for like this and like this. So you see here the difference, and here. Okay, so we can validate, and you see here this outer ring here. This is the ring here. So if you like, you can adjust the ring. So you use the cell mask tool here and mask from the center here and invert the mask. So it's a little bit different here in version 1.85, but mask inverting is no problem for you. So when you use now the gizmo here, it's possible with a green small cone here. You can adjust here the offset of the of this ring, like this. And don't use the orange ring, because then something like this happens. In front view it looks okay, but it's not okay in this direction. So the green cone. Okay, I think it's okay. So I clear the mask. So the next thing is we use again the cell mask, and we mask the top part here like this, and use the gizmo and scale it down like this. Then clear the mask, and now trim tool. The trim tool, we need a hole filling, but here the detail rate 0%, so nothing. And trim the bottom away. So it looks like this here. Okay, the next thing is we need the roof. Here the sorry. The roof here is a little bit curved. So we use the cell mask. I use now the lasso tool, and I start here and I mask the outer part of this thing. So this is masked now, And in the mask settings here, shell thickness 0 and no smoothness, and extract the whole thing. So now we get a solo part of the roof here, and now let's trim. And now hole filling off, so no hole filling, and trim the bottom away. The next step is we need the split tool. It's only the split tool, I have only other icon, and also no hole filling. So we can use this here and split, split and split. So now we have a little bit other topology, and we can select all the parts here and use the join option. So the mesh should be joined again. So I think it's not joined as it should. So here in the debug settings, here is a merge vertex radius. So here activate this checkbox and put in here a number 0.001, I think is okay. So now let's join it again. No, it's not correct. So 001, join. So now the mesh is joined completely. So you see it here, there's no red line and something, I think it's complete. Okay now. So here, and deselect the checkbox, don't forget it. The next thing is here, we have to trim this mesh here, and I trim it here near the center, something like this. Sorry, the symmetry is active. So we need something like this here. The next thing is we have to cell mask this part, and I mask here like this. So now I use this view again. Here the mask I clear, and so the roof is a little bit curved like this here, and I use now the project option, curve, and I draw here, no, I draw a path. So and you see here this small arrow here, we have to change the direction of this small arrow. Here is a flip mode, and then press the green dot. So you think nothing happens, but if you look in this view, you see here now the roof is curved. And the last step is we have to mirror it back. So we trimmed too much. Not good. Let's go a few steps back. So I trim it here again. Symmetry is off. I hope it's correct now. So I use now cell mask. Fine. Here I clear the mask, and now I use the project tool. Change the direction. So now the curve is okay, and now I try to mirror it. Now the mesh is complete. Fine. So yeah, that's a roof. Okay, we can select both objects and join it together. And now we use again the cell mask. And I mask the front. Gizmo. And now I use the pivot option here on the left side and place my pivot here on the bottom. And I scale it in this direction and in this direction. So, if you like. So you can go a little bit crazy if you like. You can here use the rotation of the gizmo and bring it in a little bit in this direction. And the other side here, we can invert the mask and make the same for the other side. So like this here. Do it a little bit like this. Now we can clear the mask. And so the next thing is we can tap on the roof. Mask is active. It's really crazy. We have to go back. So here you see, now we joined the object, and sometimes the vertices merge together and sometimes not. This is sometimes really a problem. So here in the main menu here in the project, here's a setting for advanced settings, and here is a checkbox for keep topology. So set this checkbox at the moment and join the meshes together. So now when you use here the separate option, it works. So fine. Sorry. So here mask this part here, and then gizmo tool, pivot adjustment like this. And so, and then the scaling. So maybe like this. So a little bit of rotation. And then invert the mask. Again, that gizmo, pivot. And a little bit like this. So let's clear the mask, and now it should work when I press on the roof. So it should work. So I invert the mask, and now I scale my roof. Pivot adjustment and rotate it in the direction of the roof. So, and you can scale it now in this direction. Fine. So if we like, we can separate it again. So now we are in a position that I like, so it's okay. So here, this mesh here, we can use the mask tool and mask here the door like this, and the other side. So here shell thickness 0 and split the mesh. So here we have now the doors, and we can hide them. Yeah. So the roof, I rename it as roof. And I clone this mesh, and the roof I bring here in this position, and roof 1. So I use now the front or the back view. So I rotate it in a direction to see it like this. Then I use the solo view and I lock the view. So here I can zoom in and yeah, be happy. So I use the split tool and hole filling is off. So let's start from right to left. So I use the line tool. So I start here. Split, 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 split. So I hope it worked. So we have now a lot of splits, and here in our advanced setting is keep topology active. Remember it. So we can select now all splitted parts of the roof here, and we can join it. So then we use the mask tool, mask everything, and now we extract it with a shell thickness. So edge loops is okay, so extract. So we have now our wooden planks, so let's see it in the, if we need it bigger or thicker, so a little bit more. I think this is okay. This are the planks. So now we can separate them. So here with a move tool, here's a filter setting. Here's connected topology on off. So when you use here the connected topology and use the move tool, so it works like this. And when the checkbox is off, so we don't separate the thing. So when the checkbox is on, it works like this. And when the checkbox is active or on, it works like this. So we can turn off symmetry, and so let's feel free and adjust this here a little bit. I use this view like this, here a little bit like this, more so. So this is this look of the looks a little bit wilder. And so something like this. And here with multi-resolution, it's possible to use the linear subdivision, subdivide it 1 or 2 times. So we get more edge loops or more loops in the center here. So we can now play with the planks here in this direction, if you like. So let's turn the wireframe off and have a look at our wagon. So it's okay for the first few steps. The last thing I do is here I activate the gizmo and I add a cylinder primitive that we see the wheel. So snapping is on. So then I add here on gizmo is off, and I add a mirror repeater so that it looks like a wagon. So perspective on. So the first steps are done. That's it for this video. Next video is following. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.